So let me complete this and then okay. So I'm gonna teach you if and else. You can say you know it very well. But still, let me teach you because maybe you will learn something new, or maybe it is just for revision. Fine. I have taken three numbers: a equal to 5, b equal to 10, c equal to 0. Fine. In the first case, let me do this. And one more thing I want to ask: is this way fine for you when I write the code earlier, or should I write the code in front of you only? I wrote the code earlier because it should save your time. So tell me, should I write the code in front of you, or should I write this way better?
So it's fine, sir.
This fine? Okay. So
Yes.
here you can see in the first case, if it is not related to any variable, I just directly put 0 here. Fine. So which condition should be printed? This one or later one, else wali? If wali execute hogi, else wali hogi. Can anyone tell me?
Sir, else wali.
Else wala, sir.
Else would be solved. Why? Because 0 is false. So I just tell you here 0 is considered as false. Fine. Now you can see here I put value of c. If c, I am just checking if c, that means I will check the value of c, and value of c is 0. So in that case also it is considered as false only. Fine. So in that case also it is considered as false. You can see value of c is 0, so it is considered as false. That is written in the else statement. Value of c is 0, so it is considered as false. This line was not printed. So your c is now 0, so it was considered as false. Now I am taking 1. 1 is considered as true.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, will you please explain that again? Let's see why that else statement has been printed. Yeah.
Okay. Now see, the value of c is 0. Fine. Value of c is 0. Here in this case, you can see when we put the 0 directly, it will take it as a false. It will take it as a false. So when we put c, so that c means it is taking the value of c, and value of c is 0. So it take it as a false. If I wrote this like this, if c double equal to 0, if I write it like this, let me. If I write it like this, if c double equal to 0, in that case 0 double equal to 0, we are checking if 0 is equal to 0, we say yes, 0 is equal to 0, that condition is true. So let me comment above one. Okay, now in that case you can see it is true. Here it checked value of c is true or false 0. This line was printed because 0 equal to 0, ये तो सही है, 0 double equal to 0, that is true. But when we write if c, so instead of c, value of c goes inside the if, and which is 0 and which is considered as false. So it won't execute the print if statement, it will execute only else statement. Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.